In this video, I am going to show you how to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. 1. Daily Login Rewards. Monopoly Go, like many mobile games, rewards players for simply logging in daily. Among these rewards are free dice rolls, which you can collect every day. Make it a habit to open the game daily, even if you don't plan on playing extensively that day. The consistent login will ensure you don't miss out these freebies. 2. Invite friends. Monopoly Go incentivizes inviting new players to the game. For every friend that accepts your invitation and joins the game, both of you and your friends receive 30 extra rolls. Share your unique invitation link via social media or directly with friends who might be interested in playing. Remember, you can invite up to 30 friends for a significant total of free rolls. 3. Community chest rewards. Opening community chests in the game can yield various rewards, including free dice rolls. Assisting a friend with their community chest can also earn you rolls. Stay engaged with your in-game friends to help each other with the community chest. 4. Complete sticker albums. As you collect stickers throughout the game, completing sets or entire album will reward you free dice rolls. Albums typically offer more rolls but require more time and effort to complete. 5. Participate in events and tournaments. Monopoly Go regularly hosts events and tournaments that come with various milestones and challenges. Completing these can earn you dice rolls, sticker packs, and other prizes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.